Greetings. Just a quick message now that our window has been updated. Our window is WindowView, and that uses an analogy for our lives being like a window. What do you see through your window? If wide open, maybe you have a good chance to see what life really is where you are, and elsewhere around the entire world. The main theme touches on science and faith, but there is much more to what is in the window. And what is here applies to every human being today. That includes you. The approach here is a bit unique. And yes, social media offers lots of short videos and texts. However, to look through the window is best with a bit of added exploration. The main point here is simple. Come visit WindowView and look around. Maybe you will see something not ever recognized before. Something awesome about this life and what the future is definitely going to bring. You have to make a decision, and that leads to a most incredible future.